how to vacuum seal filet mignon for sous vide cooking? Well, you're in luck because today I am prepping a sous vide recipe using filet mignon, and what's gonna happen is I'm gonna vacuum seal filet mignon from frozen using my Foodsaver 4400 vacuum sealer, and I'm gonna show you how I season it before it even goes in the bag with just a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna vacuum seal filet mignon for sous vide cooking that I'm gonna do at a later date. So this video is just gonna take you through the prep for that cook. Let's do it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to remove filet mignon from freezer packaging to vacuum seal it. Now, remove filet mignon from the store packaging before freezing it. So what you want to do is take it out of whatever bag it came in. This is from Crowd Cow. They're an online butcher, and I'll leave an affiliate link for them below so you can check them out. But basically, this one didn't have any of those meat packing, absorption, moisture packs in them, whatever they're called, but some do, and so you always want to take it out because you don't know if there is cardboard or any other material in there that you wouldn't want to sous vide. So the first thing that you do is that you remove filet mignon from freezer packaging to vacuum seal it. You don't want to vacuum seal the filet mignon just like it was in the packaging for one more reason I forgot to mention. It's because you want to be able to season it. So I'll get into that in just a moment. But anyways, you need to transfer the filet mignon to a plate or a cutting board, and for this demonstration, I'm just seasoning filet mignon with salt before vacuum sealing it. You could season filet with salt, pepper, any sort of, you could throw a little bit of garlic in the bag. That's a little bit of controversial. Some people have a whole thing about not sous videing garlic. Completely understand. But anyways, you can throw some rosemary or fresh herbs that you want in there. And then you get your vacuum seal bag ready and you put the filet in the vacuum sealed bag. Now when you're choosing a vacuum seal bag for filet mignon freezing, you want to make sure that the amount of fillets that you're putting in the vacuum seal bag are going to fit, allowing them not to overlap. And you're gonna have a couple inches at the end to be able to put it inside the vacuum sealer. Here I'm using the Foodsaver 4400, but whatever vacuum sealer you're using, you're gonna need to make sure there's room at the end so there's enough space for the machine to seal the plastic without smushing the fillets too close together. Now, is it okay if they touch a little bit? Sure, but my preference is always to try to leave a little room in between the fillets. Now the Foodsaver v4400 automatically detects that there's a bag in there and it automatically seals the bag for me. You'll have to check out your you'll have to check out your vacuum seal machine to make sure that it will automatically seal, or see if you have to hit a button to make it seal. So these look absolutely beautiful. There's a little bit of room in the middle. They didn't completely squish together like one giant huge steak. I absolutely love freezing them this way. So there's two in here, one for my husband, one for me, and I guess I'll give the baby a little bite of mine. Well, I can't wait to eat the filet mignon sous vide cook when it's ready, but for now it's just going in my freezer until we are ready to enjoy it. So make sure to check out sipbyco.com for easy tips on sous vide cooking, how to sous vide food from frozen, how to meal prep sous vide food with the Foodsaver vacuum. There's so many resources that I have there because I'm a busy person, and so I cook like a busy person who wishes they were eating restaurant style food every night. So anyways, until the next time, make sure you subscribe to the Sip by Go channel on YouTube so you catch all my latest sous vide cooks. And I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers! Oh, and before you go, don't forget to check out another video from Sip, Bite, Go.